Welcome variables. This is variable, and in this video we're going to be looking at what's inside an internet router. So as you can see, we're going to be trying to open the internet router with multiple tools because I'm not sure how hard it's going to be to open. So I'm going to start off with the screwdriver first. So now I'm gonna take off this plastic area. Oh wait. So now that the sticker and this plastic I take broke off. Now let's get this part on. So I've gotten the sides off, but this one side I'm having trouble with. So I think I might have to use the axe. Let me just try this. Oh, that sounds good. Now let me just jam this. Okay, this is the hardest part. This must be something hard, like in this corner. Yeah, there's more plastic. I think I broke this part of the router. So I'll get back to you when I finish this side. Well, I can't really get this part, so I'm gonna just use the axe. Probably not gonna get the first try, but oops. Okay. Oops. Well, I definitely broke the router. Let's try it. I'm just gonna try a few more times. Ugh. I'm gonna try small strokes. Okay, since I've got this jammed. Ugh, still not done. Still didn't do it. One more time. I'm gonna hit this. Okay, so they definitely got in. Oh, it's this end. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, you don't have to clean it. Let's try this end now. I guess this is what's inside it. So, I guess this is the motherboard. I'm pretty sure these are the batteries. This is another piece. There's actually not as much stuff as I thought there would be. Here are the lights. Oh, this is the main memory chip right here. This used to probably just go to, but this one right here. Some memory chip. There's a lot of pieces scrambled in the dirt. Okay, so just for entertainment, I will crush this thing. I'll hit it once with every thing I have. So with this, the screwdriver and the axe, I'm gonna do this and this side. Whoops. Okay. Okay. Now this time. Whoops. I just broke off. Now the axe. So that was the conclusion of what's inside a internet router. Oh, there's also this part. I don't know what this is for, but. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.